Hi, I'd like to tell you about internet hotspots. This is a technical area that a lot of businesses are very interested in. A lot of businesses provide internet services for guests. We're familiar with hotel, motel internet services, but now many retail businesses, many other types of businesses offer internet services, gyms, hair salons. Now, there are really four methods of providing an internet service for guests. The first is a gateway product like this one. It's a box which has the elements of controlling the access to the internet. There are also network wireless products that can be used. There are routers, network routers that can be scripted in order to configure them as hotspot controllers. And finally, there are cloud-based hotspots which use usually custom software installed on a wireless router. Now, most of these products provide basic hotspot features like the login page that can be customized, access codes that can be generated to give to guests. You can configure credit card billing so the access can be monetized, the business can sell the service. And finally, we can set a data speed control so that we determine what is the speed of access that the guests can access the internet. Now, unfortunately, most methods of controlling access to the internet are missing features which are very important for us. For example, block illegal file sharing. A number of hotels in the US receive notices called DMCA notices that advise them that their guests are sharing files illegally, and if they don't terminate this, then they'll lose the internet service. Also, it's very important that the method of controlling access can prevent traffic congestion. If many people are trying to connect to the internet through one circuit, then eventually we're going to get traffic congestion, and we have to manage that process. We also have a need to scale up internet access for hundreds or thousands of users, and most products are not able to do that. We have applications such as trade shows, sports stadiums, etc., where we need to provide access for many people. Another feature that we need is multi-WAN load balance with failover. Unfortunately, the weakest link in the internet access chain is the circuit from the ISP, and so what we would like to do is to be able to connect to the internet through at least two circuits in order that if one circuit goes down, then the traffic is diverted through a second circuit which remains working. A lot of applications also require a ticket printer in order to print the access code which we want to give to guests. It's very common to do that at a hotel check-in desk or other type of situation where we want to give the guest a code. There are many situations where we need to monitor for failures. We have a lot of service companies who install these systems, who want to provide managed services. They need the tools to do that, and so the hotspot system must provide the capabilities to monitor the components for failure and advise the company if a failure occurs so that the repair can be made very quickly. Finally, it's necessary that technical support is provided by the manufacturer, and in many cases manufacturers do not provide technical support. Now, what I want to show you today is one product which is the guest internet product. There are a range of guest internet products. This is the smallest one. We have products which can handle up to many thousands of users, and the guest internet products do have the features that I've been discussing. One of the few methods of providing a guest internet service with the features that are necessary to provide a reliable and efficient type of service. And so next I'll show you some of the features on the configuration screen.